Yo, this Greek chicken bowl is hands down one of my favorite meals to make during the week. It's easy, simple, packed with flavor, great for meal prep. Highly recommend. We'll start by getting the chicken marinating. I recommend at least an hour. You can let it go up to overnight. All the details are in the caption. Mix till well combined and get that in the fridge. While the chicken's chilling, we're going to make everything else. Here we're whipping up a fresh tzatziki sauce. Again, the full details are in the caption. Now we're going to put together a super simple cucumber tomato salad. Once done, place that in the fridge as well. Now for the rice, I'm using jasmine. I like to cook it in bone broth instead of water. It adds extra flavor and nutrients. Then I finish it with a little bit of ghee. Next, we're going to grill up those chicken thighs. We got them rolling over medium-high heat. We're going to let them sit for about 10 to 12 minutes, then come back and give them a flip. For chicken thighs, I like to bring them up to around 185 internal before I pull them off. Once done, let those rest for a few minutes. From there, all that's left to do is cut them up, assemble your bowl, and enjoy. One of my favorite meals to make during the week. It's easy, simple, packed with
how you feel in every way. Don't remind me of all the BS you could say. I'm dummy and chained, done with your games. Dummy and played for your entertainment. I'm not yours, 'cause you're nothing but an expired exit from my life. An expired exit from my life. I thought your love, I thought your heart was poison from the start. An expired exit from my life. Bye-bye. Don't